Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on Mac. You can install an Android emulator on your computer, which creates a virtual Android device. This allows you to download and run mobile games and applications just like on a smartphone or tablet. The process is straightforward, enabling you to enjoy your favorite strategy game on a larger screen with improved controls. We will guide you through each step to get you battling quickly. Android emulators are essential tools for bringing mobile games like Clash Royale to your Mac. BlueStacks, for instance, provides a complete Android environment directly on your desktop. This means you can access the Google Play Store, download games, and play them as if you were on a mobile device. It is generally compatible with macOS versions released in the last few years, and requires at least 4 GB of RAM for optimal performance. To get started, navigate to the official BlueStacks website and download the installer file designed for macOS. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the clear on-screen prompts to install the application. During this process, you may need to approve certain system permissions in your Mac's security settings. After installation finishes, simply launch BlueStacks and log in using your Google account to access the Play Store. Once you are logged into Google Play within BlueStacks, open the Play Store application. Use the search bar to find Clash Royale and proceed with its installation, just like on your phone. After the game downloads, you can launch it and begin playing. BlueStacks also provides intuitive key mapping features, allowing you to assign specific in-game actions to your keyboard keys for more precise and comfortable control during battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.